Alright guys, how's it going? It's Q back with another Atlas Earth video. Now I do believe that this is week 6 and today's going to be the update video for week 6. I know yesterday I just uploaded another video regarding Atlas Earth, and that was just like my thoughts on the CEO video that was recently posted on Atlas Realty's page. So if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go check that video out. It's a pretty good video, and also go check out their video as well. It has a lot of good information in it. But yeah, on this one we're just going to be doing like the update, so this shouldn't be too long. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is my main account right here, and you know, I'm just sitting here at $11.53. So we're definitely climbing up. Parcels owned is 146, pretty much at $11.60. So yeah, this is pretty much where we're at. And since last week, I believe I was at 130 something. These parcels that I have gotten have all been from the, you know, watching the free ads in the shop to get the free Atlas bucks. So that's where that has came from. So doing pretty decent, you know. I'm just kind of letting the money rise up. Yeah guys, so something that I wanted to talk to you guys about in this particular video though, so I actually did find out something that's cool, just in case you guys didn't know, or just in case you guys wasn't already doing this. So basically, you guys can honestly multiply your money if you're able to do this, that you're making with this. What I'm talking about is starting multiple accounts. So I'm actually going to be doing multiple accounts. So moving from this video onward, I will actually be showing you guys all of my accounts and all of the progress on my account. So total, I have about 4 accounts now total. So this one right here is my main account. And you know, I have 3 other accounts actually. So I did some research and I looked into the terms of service, and you know, I didn't see anything there that prohibited use of multiple accounts from one user. There was nothing there that limited only one account per user, or per, I guess, I don't know. I mean, they don't really ask for any like major information when you're signing up with this app. So yeah, I mean, technically consider this a game, and with most games and apps and stuff like that, you can have multiple accounts. So yeah, this is no different. And yeah, apparently you can have multiple accounts. And just to make sure, I actually reached out to support as well, and they confirmed it. They confirmed that there was nothing in the terms of service that prohibited that, and that you could have multiple accounts. So yeah guys, I basically have 4 accounts now, and I have 4 different devices that I use. Actually, I could probably use this on my computer as well. I have like 3 computers low-key, and then like a total of like 4 or 5 phones, but I'm really just doing it on 4 different phones right now that I have. So if you guys have multiple devices that you can, any device that could probably download this app, I would recommend doing it, especially while the free ads in the store is up, because basically that's a good way for you to earn Atlas bucks and start some passive income for free, honestly. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to bring that out to you guys and just kind of bring that to you guys' attention for sure. So I guess I can go ahead and show you guys my actual profits so far with my other accounts. So I started my other accounts maybe a couple of days ago, I want to say. I don't know if it was maybe a week ago, but, well, maybe not a week ago, but maybe like 4 or 5 days ago, I want to say I started. So this right here is my second account. This account is currently at 13 cents. Now this account is actually doing pretty nicely, honestly. I was actually able to get a legendary and a couple of epics on this account. And also on this account, I already have about 12 parcels, you know, just free parcels. So this is probably my second best performing account so far. It's doing pretty well. So yeah, I just kind of want to show you guys the profits on that. So far I'm at 13 cents, so that's not bad. Completely free profit, honestly. Just that's just straight up profit, no money. None of these other accounts that I've actually started, I've put anything into it, any of my actual money into it. So let's see, here is my third account. So this account right here is my third account. This one is kind of similar to the second account, is, I guess, as far as like rarity goes, except I don't have any legendaries on it. So you can see it's only at 8 cents. Those legendaries make a huge difference. Honestly, I think I only have maybe 1 or 2 rares on this, and the rest of these are commons. So this account actually isn't making that much. I think, well, no, I think I have maybe an epic and a couple of rares, and majority of these are commons though. I also have 12 parcels on this one as well. So yeah, but this one you can see that it's only at 8 cents, so it's actually almost half of what the other one is. So yeah, man, if you can get lucky and kind of get those legendary and those epics, that's definitely where it's at for sure. If anybody didn't really think that made much of a difference, I'm here to tell you that that definitely makes a difference. And then this account right here is my last account. It's not this account is honestly not really that, it's not really making me that much money at all. Actually, it's only at 3 cents, and the reason why is because I believe that I only got, yeah, on this account I only have about 7 parcels on it, so I don't have as many parcels on this account. And then one thing that I will say is that the parcels that I've pretty much all gotten on this account are nothing but common. I didn't get like anything good on this account, so that kind of sucked, honestly. But either way, all of this stuff is just pure profit for me on the other accounts, so that is, I can't complain too much, honestly. So yeah, moving forward, I will definitely be showing you guys like all the progress on all 4 of these accounts as well. At this time, I probably won't be doing any other accounts. I feel like it would be a little bit too much to keep up with. I might do one more account just to have a solid 5 accounts maybe, but yeah, for right now we just rocking with 4. So yeah, I just kind of want to bring this to you guys' attention. You know, if you have multiple devices, yeah, go ahead and start a new account. You know, it's definitely okay to do that, so you can maximize profits and multiply your profits as well, you know. So anyways, there's that. I guess the last thing that I kind of wanted to talk about before I end this video is, I don't know if you guys are having the same issue, but I noticed that a lot of times now when I try to log into my account, and I'm not sure if it's just because of like so many users are using the account now or what, but I noticed that I keep getting this loading screen, like little sort of glitch slash error. I noticed that once I'm at like 86% or 86.98% to be exact, I noticed that it gets stuck and the game doesn't open up and it doesn't load. And I'm on Android phones. I do have an iPhone as well, but I haven't opened up the app on that phone yet or used it on that phone yet. I'm using it on my Androids. I have a Galaxy A02s. I have an older Galaxy S9 and an old S7 as well that I'm using. And even on this, you know, even on my PC right here, it's even happened on my PC too. So I don't really think the device matters that much because it happens across all of them. So I don't know, you guys let me know if you're having the same issue, and if so, then let Atlas Realty know so that way they can get that fixed, because that's kind of annoying. Usually you can just close the app, open it, close it again, and then it'll be fixed and you can get right back in. But it is a little annoying, I won't lie. So I guess other than that, the main thing that I'm really waiting on, and me, you know, I was getting some messages from people, you know, just talking to people and stuff. Something that I'm really just waiting on is the payout feature, man, the cash out feature. Still waiting on that, man. I'm really hoping that we get that in the next update, because that is going to be really something that I feel like it's going to make a lot of people feel a lot better about the app and make a lot more people. I mean, I'm not questioning the legitimacy of the app whatsoever. I know that this is a legitimate app, and I know that it's something that is very solid, and, you know, Atlas Realty is not a scamming company. I know that for sure. Like, I know that they're not one of these companies that's just gonna cut and run, or, you know what I'm saying? I don't think that's the case at all. I believe in them, so I know that it's gonna come. It's just the fact that it's not here yet that I feel like is kind of I don't know, something like that could kind of keep people from wanting to go all in on something like this, or really put a lot of effort into it, or dump money into it, you know. So once again, I said this in my other videos, but, you know, people just want to know that they can take out their profits that they've earned when they want. So yeah, definitely hope they're just still working on that. That needs to be their top priority for sure. Other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much the update for this video for week 6. Good things are happening. I'm really looking forward to the hunt that's supposed to be starting, I think, within about a week or so. I think that's when it starts. Really looking forward to that. That should be really cool. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next update. And I know that I've gotten at least about maybe 2 different people ask me what I think about Upland. And honestly, guys, I think what I'll probably do is I'll probably start like another Upland sort of journey, sort of similar to like this. I'm not sure how long that one would be up, or how long I would be doing that, or if I'll even like it, but I think I'll probably do an Upland video pretty soon as well, kind of getting started with that. So that one is kind of similar to this one, but I think it's kind of been a little bit more established and has a little bit more features already. So kind of interested in seeing it. I've been seeing a lot of Upland ads as well, playing Atlas Earth and watching ads. So should be interesting. But since people are kind of asking what I think about that, then I'll definitely at least do one video on it. And then if you guys want to see more, then I can do another video, or, you know, kind of make it into a series like this. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. And once again, I always want to thank you guys for watching, and I always appreciate the support, feedback, and, you know, just you guys even being here. Really appreciate that. And yeah, you guys take it easy and be safe out here, you know, with everything going on in the world. And I'll see you guys in the next one.